I'll do it over here so that you
Ma'am,
understand.
2n.
Just a moment, just a moment. Let
Ma'am,
me share
2
the
raised
whiteboard first
2
of
raised
all.
to n minus 5
Amrita, make me
into
the host. All of you know your test ka date sheet na? Monday ko you have a paper. Which paper you have on Monday? मेरा ही पेपर है, साइंस है या मैथ्स है?
Ma'am,
We have
science,
science and public speaking on
Science,
Monday.
Let me see. During our class only we'll have paper, na?
Ma'am, I think so it
During-
is on Tuesday and Wednesday, not on Monday.
ma'am, I think it's on Wednesday and ma'am, maths is on Thursday.
Ma'am, science is on Monday.
Please don't get confused.
Exam
Exam timetable, white columns are exam timetable, colored columns are this thing, regular
Yes, colored
session.
are regular session and white is exam.
So that is, I knew that you will get confused. Please check. 17th June is science and public speaking also is on 17th, right?
Yes. Yes.
All of you can see your timetable, exam timetable.
Yes.
Yes, I cannot see it now, but I remember
Ma'am,
that.
science is on Monday and then maths is on Tuesday.
Correct.
Yes.
Science is on Monday and maths is on Tuesday. Don't get confused. Okay?
Yeah.
Everyone, please, हाँ ऐसा मत सोचना Wednesday, Thursday है तो फिर खत्म हो जाएगा फिर.
I thought the colored ones are the exam.
So it is written now. Ma'am has written now.
Ma'am, I thought the same.
Regular-
And the colored ones are the regular sessions and the white
And
ones
the white
are
one are
the
the
exam.
exam. Okay. So okay. So I think the doubts are clear now. Let us do our maths doubt. Let us solve our maths question. Tell me the question now.
Ma'am, 2 raised to
Two.
n minus 5.
Into 6 raised to 2n minus 4.
Raised to n. नीचे में -5 और ऊपर में -5.
Up
ऊपर में
n
ma'am.
minus 5.
Then
Into
Into
6 raised to 2n minus 4.
equal to
1 upon 12 raised to 4 into 2.
this way.
Yes.
Okay. Now see how will I solve this? 2 raised to n minus
can I
5.
do?
Yes. Can you do it over here on whiteboard? Will you be able to write?
No, ma'am, I will say and you do it. You will write.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, so first, ma'am, we will do finding RHS, ma'am. So
RHS first you are doing or LHS you are doing? First
ma'am,
RHS?
first RHS, yes, ma'am. First RHS.
Okay. Then
So, ma'am, we will add just 1 upon 12 by 4 into 2. Then we will, as there is 6 in LHS, so we will make 12 2 into 3 by 4.
2 into 6, na?
Sorry, 2 into 6 by 4 and
By 4 don't say by 4. Raise to 4. By 4 में denominator में आता है 4. Okay. Raise to 4. Okay.
raised to 4, and then we will do and then we will do we will then 2 raised to 1, ma'am. 2 raised to 1.
Raise to 1 यहाँ पे ना?
Ma'am, वहाँ पे 2 raised to 1.
I have written. 1 I am not writing because that is not required. 2
Then
is
we
fine.
will do the thing, ma'am. We will do 2 6 are 12 and it will.
वापस से क्यों करेंगे? You did 12 for 2 into 6 ना? Then again why you will do 6 into 2?
Sorry, ma'am. Then we will do, ma'am, 2 into 4 and 6 into 4, ma'am.
2 raised to 4 into 6 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 1.
And ma'am, we will cut the both 2, ma'am. We will do 2 raised to 5, ma'am. 2 raised to 5
Correct. Into 6 raised to
6
4.
raised to 4. Then we will
Correct.
do it then we will do, ma'am. Then we will remove then we will 5 minus 4 is equal. Okay.
not 5 minus 4. See, whenever it is in the denominator and I have to bring it in the numerator, power becomes negative. So 2 raised to minus 5 into 6 raised to minus 4. Okay, because you can take 2 raised to 0 ऊपर में, 1 को I can write 2 raised to 0 and I can write 6 raised to 0. I can write na, because it is
Yes,
1
ma'am.
only.
Yes.
So 0 minus 5, if I divide these two, 0 minus 5 is minus 5 and
Yes,
6
ma'am.
raised to 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Okay.
Ma'am, we will
Instead
do
of
that,
writing
then we will
one,
get,
right.
ma'am, then we will get 2 by minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5 into 6 raised to minus 4.
Minus 4. Now equate it
Now
with
we will-
LHS.
We will do with LHS. We will write that 2 raised to n minus 5 into 6 raised to 2n minus 4 is equal to 2 raised to minus 5 into 6 raised to minus 4.
Correct. Now you can see over here base is same. So I equate same base ke powers. Okay. So equating the powers, now I'll equate. Anyone you
ma'am.
can equate.
Now we will start equating the power. So minus 5 and minus 5.
There are
will
two
be gone.
equations. You will get n minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Other one is 2n minus 4 is equal to minus.
minus 4.
So what is the answer over here? N is equal to
So
minus
2
5
It
equal
will
to
become
0.
0.
2n is equal to minus 4 plus 4.
Plus 4
Okay. You
equal
are
to-
also you are getting n is equal to 0.
N is equal.
So answer
So ma'am,
is n
answer is n is equal to 0 now.
Is it clear? Whole class, those who have not got the answer for this question which I gave, equating power you have to do
Yes,
when the
ma'am.
bases are same. Okay. So now you see left hand side mein 2 and 6 is there. So right hand side mein you have to create 2 and 6. 2 and 6 can be created by 12. 2 into 6 kiya and you separated the power because you have to bring it in the numerator because it is there in the numerator on left hand side. So how do we bring, instead of writing 1, make it, or if you don't remember, if you don't make it also 1, you can write that there is a law that 1 upon a raised to m है, तो reciprocal अगर हम कर रहे हैं तो a raised to minus m होता है.
A minus
This
m.
also-
Yes.
Okay, negative power. Or if it is 1 upon a raised to minus m, it becomes plus m. Sign gets reversed when it is done reciprocal. Okay, so this question is done. Everyone note it down. Any other question, doubt? No? Okay. So I'll
Ma'am,
start
I
with,
have a doubt.
yes.
Ma'am, how did you get 2n minus 4 equal to minus 4?
I equated the power na. 2n minus 4, 6 का power 2n minus 4, 6 का power minus 4. So same base का ही power I can equate because equal to, I cannot equate n minus 5 को minus 4 से because यहाँ इसका base 2 है और यहाँ इसका base 6 है. Their bases should be same to
Ma'am.
equate the power.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am, I understood that. But why didn't you did more simplify the 6?
Because I don't require. अगर 3 होता then I
Yeah,
would
yeah,
have
if we-
required.
Yeah, if we do 2 into 0, we will get 0. 2n ka if we go.
No, he's asking 6 ko why didn't I do 3 into 2? You're asking that, na?
Yes, ma'am. You did earlier. You did.
Earlier
that-
question, because there you had other things to find out. Simplify question था. यहाँ पे it is not simplify. यहाँ पे they have asked find the value of n. So here we have to equate LHS and RHS का power. For that we need the same basis. Okay, is it clear? So in
Okay,
terms
ma'am.
of same base, that is why we didn't do. Otherwise वो 3 into 2 भी करने से same ही आता, but वो थोड़ा सा long हो जाता. So we don't want to waste time on it. 6 से हो जा रहा है solve, so we'll solve it by 6 because both the sides we have 6. Okay. So now next, today we are going to revise algebraic expression and next maths class में mixed questions we'll revise. ठीक है? Next science class में you know what we are going to revise? We are going to revise chemical equations And next
Chemical
maths class,
process.
it will be a mixed questions of both the chapters. So today we are going to revise. ये टेस्ला का क्लास आ गया है. Wait, हाँ, this is it. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us start with here with question 11. Subtract this from this. Give me the answer, everyone, quickly. In chat, please write down the answer.
Ma'am, we have to subtract 24 AB from
Yeah, this one. Send me the answer in chat
On
quickly.
the first one, right on the page.
11th, yes, question number 11th. Nobody has got?
Ma'am, I'm
Ma'am,
sending
I'm
you the answer, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, almost done. I'm writing answer. Ma'am, I gave you, ma'am.
Is it minus 2 AB? From you have to subtract, Abdullah. From 26 AB. Have you done the reverse thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that's
Please-
why I'm also taking time. I did reverse. I did 24 AB. That's
No.
minus.
Read the question from. So this should be first. Okay, Rashda minus, Rashda second term. Minus 8 plus 2. Correct. Correct answer, Rashda. Amina.
Ma'am, something is wrong with my keyboard. I am typing. It is typing in another language.
Ma'am, I am typing AB. It is coming AH. I don't know. It's going autocorrect.
See, Amina, your second term, there is some mistake.
Ma'am, is mine correct? I have sent you.
You have also made mistake in the second term and the last term also.
Ma'am, in
Yeah,
second
Amina,
term,
wrong
because it's
answer.
minus minus, you're supposed to add, right? And then add the
Correct.
minus sign. So I
हाँ,
did that
so
only.
plus 10 भी होगा ना?
Oh, ma'am,
Just a
but the
moment. I
minus
think
sign
Rashda
is...
also made some mistake. See, I don't know what mistake you are doing. Not all part is
Ma'am,
correct.
1
Huh?
minute.
Just a moment. Everyone is getting wrong answer. Why? What? Subtract this much from this much. So 26. How you are doing? Bracket वाला में या ऊपर नीचे लिख के? Anyway, if you are doing ऊपर नीचे लिख के, you have to put a, यहाँ पे you have to put a minus sign, right? And then here put a bracket. 24AB minus 10B. Everyone has forgotten algebraic expression. 10B और यहाँ पे है plus 18A. Plus 18A.
Ma'am, I gave you the answer. Is it correct?
Last term is wrong, Abdullah. 26 AB. Now check over here what mistakes you are doing. See, this way you have to do. Minus 24. Minus will go inside. Minus becomes plus 10B. Minus and plus becomes minus 18A. Now, yes, your answer is correct. Sufyan, your answer is
Ma'am, I
correct.
got the answer, ma'am. Can I say?
Rashda, plus 2B hoga second term. You have written minus 2B in the second term. Now 26 AB and
Okay,
minus
ma'am.
24 AB. 26 AB minus 24 AB. Then minus 8B minus 7B. Sorry, A hai na ye. This is A. So minus 8B. Minus 8B plus 10B. And minus 7A minus 18A. See, these two, if you solve, it is 2AB. These two, if you solve, it is plus 2B. And these two, if you solve, it is minus 25A. So this is the correct answer. If you have got this answer, 2AB plus 2B minus 25A, not 11A. Okay?
Oh my God, this.
And if you're not doing this way, if you're doing upar niche likh ke, so you will write from wala pehle 26C, both the methods I'm doing it again. Those who have forgotten, minus 7A. Niche mein you will write 24AB ke niche AB, 10B is under B and plus 18A. It is subtraction, so we'll reverse the sign. Subtraction mein sign gets reversed. Here it is minus. So plus 26 and minus 24 is 2AB. Minus 8B plus 10B is plus 2B. Minus 7A and minus 18A is minus is plus, minus 25A. So this is the answer. If you are doing upar niche likh ke, do this way. If you are doing in a line, change the sign over here. You have to put a minus sign on your own because we are subtracting. If it is asked, subtract 25 from 30, what you will do? 30 minus 25, we write like this, we put a minus sign on our own. So we have to put this minus sign in subtraction. If it is plus, you have to put a plus sign. Is it clear? Everyone got wrong answer. Sufyan only got correct answer. And Rashda, there was a sign mistake in the second term.
I
So
also got it, but I could not type it. I don't know. I was typing and it was not coming.
Okay, so I'm erasing now. Do the next question. What should be added to this to get this? So what should we do now in this question?
Subtract 2x square plus 3xy from no, subtracts x square plus y square from 2x
From,
square.
yes. Do that. Give me the answer. Again, this is a subtraction question. Now think from which expression you have to subtract what, and send the answer in chat. Correct answer, Amina. Do the next one, Amina. Got answer only from Amina. Okay, expression is not given here. This is the expression 10x minus 2. You have to put the value x equal to minus 2. Sufyan,
You have to
correct
find the
answer.
value of x.
Humaira, correct answer.
Now we have
Yes.
to find the value of x.
No, you have to put the value of x here. And what is the value of this whole expression you have to find.
Okay.
Those who have done this question, Humaira, 3xy here, not 2xy.
Sorry, ma'am, I just did that.
Rashta, you didn't do question 12. And this is wrong answer which you are writing. Aisha, correct answer. Aisha Yahoo, correct answer. Yahya, correct answer. Do question number 13, everyone. Put the value of x as -2 and then find the value of this whole expression.
Am I 74 question number 13?
Sufyan, correct answer. Sufyan, correct answer. Munib, I didn't get your answer. Abdullah, typing mistake is there. Answer is wrong. Munib, wrong answer. Where is Ibrahim today? Not getting any answer from Ibrahim. Muhammad.
I'm
Anas,
solving right now.
Anas, I'm not getting answer from you.
Ma'am, I sent answer for 13. Can you check?
13
Ma'am,
correct
I also
answer.
sent the answer for the third.
Yahya, wrong answer. Muhammad, correct answer, 13. Aisha, Yahoo, wrong answer. See, why you're getting 18? 18 क्यों मिल रहा है? -2 है. 10 into -2. -2. 10 into -2 is what? -20.
Ma'am,
Minus,
I sent.
yes.
Ma'am, but
minus
you told that if it is odd, then it will be minus, and if it is
what
even,
odd?
then
What odd? That is in power, Yahya. Don't mix everything. I have spoken about odd and even powers, not in multiplication. Negative and addition. Negative and negative addition takes place and put a negative bigger number sign. Okay. Power may I have told you about odd and even power. We are not doing power over here. There isn't any power over here. Okay.
Ma'am,
Question
can you do
number
the 12th one?
12th one, you have to subtract 2x square plus 3xy minus x square. I told you na, we just now we did this question subtraction ka. 2x square plus 3xy minus x square minus y square, minus goes inside. So 2x square minus x square is x square plus 3xy, no like terms for xy, and minus y square. So this is the answer for question 12. Okay, Anas, correct answer. Sufyan, which question answer you have given? Question 14 you are giving?
Yes, ma'am.
Question 14, okay. Correct answer. Question number 13 and 14, send me the answer. Question number 13, so I have done over here. -22 is the answer. Do the question number 14th one. Aisha Yahoo, which question number you are giving?
Ma'am, I sent
Amina,
answer for
correct.
14th.
Amina Muhammad, correct answer.
Ma'am, 14
Minus
answer, ma'am.
correct answer. Abdullah,
No,
correct
also
answer.
14.
Aisha Yahoo, wrong answer. Munib, wrong answer for 14th. Those who have done question number 14, do this question. Question number 21.
Ma'am, we don't have to do 15th.
No, all putting values questions are there.
Ma'am, I sent the answer.
For that, do question 19 first and then 21. Rush, the wrong answer. I'm doing question number 14 over here. 5 into -2 का square. See, even power over here. 4 into -2. -2. Now here it is -2 का square, even power यहाँ. See, now it is +4. Power is even, it will be +4. So 5 into 4 minus यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 4 into -2 is -8 and -2. 5 4s are 20. -8 and -2 is -10. Comes out to be 10. Ibrahim, which answer you are giving? This I have done.
And for this question only.
Question 14 I have done over here. Wrong answer, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, after
Question-
we
But
do
ma'am,
question
it was
14, you have to do
5x,
19 or
na?
20.
5x square है ना? Where is it? 5x square
Yes,
है.
so how did you, it was 4x minus 2, so you multiplied
Nice.
4 into.
Yes. 4x is
But
4
it
into
had
x.
x, na? It had x, na?
X की value they have given na. See? That you have to put.
Okay.
You have to find the value when x is equal to this. So you have to put the value. 14th question I have done over here, Umaira. It is wrong that you are sending. Okay, 19th anyone has done?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Sending the message.
Ma'am, you have to do 21, na? You have to do the 21. Question
First
number
do
21 or
19
19.
and then 21. Okay.
Ma'am, I sent you the answer. Is it correct?
Lowest form में क्यों नहीं किया?
Ma'am, I'll do it. Ma'am, lowest form, ma'am.
Ma'am, in
Correct
the
answer.
19th question, there is -1 after.
-1, yes. 2p square by 3 -1. Easy way is do the lowest form here only and then -1. Okay, answer is correct, Abdullah.
Ma'am, I sent answer. Can you check?
Only 3 you have written. 3 is wrong. Muhammad, solve it. Wrong answer, Aisha Yahoo. Ibrahim, wrong.
Ma'am, I found
Now-
the answer of 2p square upon 3 first, and then I've subtracted it by 1.
How you have to do 2p square? P square is what? -6 ka square upon 3 -1. Okay. So 2 into minus even power. It is 36 upon 3 -1. Do the lowest form over here only. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 1. Answer is 23. Question number 20, answer is 23. Some of you calculated the whole part and then subtracted. That way also correct, but mistakes might happen. So lowest form जहाँ पे भी मौका मिलता है, do it there only. Okay, question number 19 done. Done over here. Those who are not
Ma'am,
getting
I
the
gave
answer.
21st answer, ma'am. I gave 21st answer.
Okay, let me check. A, B, and C. C is -4. A is 1, 2.
Ma'am, what means evaluate?
Abdullah, check it once again. Evaluate means value of this and put these values. Find the value of this expression. Evaluate means find the value.
Ma'am, if 0 is squared to 2, it will be 1 only, na?
0 square is 0. Anything multiplied to 0 is 0.
Acha,
Abdullah,
yes.
sign देखो. C square -4 का square is
Ma'am,
plus.
can you move your arrow? I cannot see the number.
Now it
Ma'am,
is
I gave
correct.
you half.
Yes, Abdullah, now it is correct.
Ma'am, which question I do next?
Okay. Next, you do question number 26. What should be added to this to obtain this? Question number 26 and question number 27. Muhammad, correct answer.
Ma'am, can you do the 21st question?
It is very easy, Ibrahim. You're not doing maths at home at all. 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 0. Put the values plus c की जगह पे -4 का square. 2 plus 0 plus 16 equal to 18. This is 21st first question, 21st question. Yeah, correct answer. 21st का answer है 18. What is 26th? You have to subtract. Now what you have to subtract?
Ma'am, 26 I did, ma'am. Is it correct?
Oh, let me check to obtain this. Correct answer. Do 27th.
Ma'am, in 26th one, we have to do x square plus 2x from, nahi, x square plus 9 minus x
Ah.
square plus 2x, right?
Correct. Do it. Subtract it. Not getting answers from others, those who are doing in the beginning. What happened, Rashda, Sufyan?
I will have to do
Munib.
question 26 or 27.
26 and 27 both. I'm marking it over here now. Then 28 also. Aisha Yahoo 26 UK. 26 correct answer 9 minus. Correct answer Aisha Yahoo.
Ma'am, I gave 27, ma'am.
Ma'am, I gave for 26,
Correct
ma'am.
answer. 26 Yahya correct. 27th Abdullah correct. Do 28th one. Sufyan correct.
Ma'am, I gave 26th answer.
Yes, Amina, correct answer.
Ma'am, for
Ma'am,
27.
ma'am, I gave 26.
26th is wrong, Mohammed. Yahya, there is a sign mistake in 27th. Answer is -3 minus a, na? Sign will change in all the parts. Aisha Yahu, correct answer. This answer is -3 minus a. Ibrahim, 9 minus 2x. Please put a minus sign before the bracket so that
Ma'am,
all the sign changes.
X, but I forgot to change.
Ma'am, is the answer correct?
No, Ibrahim, I have written
Ma'am, I
correct
gave
answer.
28th answer. Is it correct?
28th.
Am I gave 27th answer, is it correct?
27th, you have given Amina correct answer. I have written over here correct answer. 28th, let me check. 3a. What should be subtracted from this to get this? First of all, tell me what you will do. Sufyan, correct answer.
Ma'am, we will
What you
do
will
2a plus 8b, 2a plus 8b plus 3a plus 7b minus 6.
No. Plus nahi hoga. Just take a smaller number. What should be subtracted from 10 to get? Chota hi number na? To get 7. What you are going to do now? 10 minus 7.
Yes, ma'am, 10 minus 7.
So you have to subtract
Yes, ma'am.
3a plus 7b minus 16 minus 2a plus 8b. Okay. Change the sign. 3a plus 7b minus 16 minus 2a minus 8b. 3a and minus 2a is a. 7b and minus 8b is minus b minus 16. So answer for question number 28 is a minus b minus 16. Okay, Aisha Yahu, it is wrong. 28th answer. I have written correct answer over here. This is 28th question. I have done also over here. Okay. Question number 32. If a side of an equilateral triangle is 7x, then find the perimeter of the triangle. 27th answer is wrong, Humaira. 27th answer is over here.
Ma'am, we have to do the 32 one.
Yes. It is an equilateral triangle, 7x, find the perimeter. You should know what is the perimeter. We have done it.
Ma'am, is it correct? I sent you the answer.
For 32, it is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Perimeter is boundary. Perimeter is sum of all the sides. Yes, Mohammed, correct.
Ma'am, I
answer.
submitted.
Correct answer. Ibrahim, correct answer.
Ma'am,
Yahya, correct
32.
answer. You have to do 7x into 3 or 7x plus 7x plus 7.
21x.
So it is
21x.
21. Okay. Find this one, 23. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 4a.
Ma'am, send you.
Yes, correct answer.
Ma'am, 16a.
Correct. So it is 16a. Square has got 4 sides equal. So 4a plus 4a plus 4a. So it is 16a. Okay. Find a perimeter or find perimeter of a regular pentagon whose side is 4x. Pentagon means how many sides?
5
5,
sides.
na?
5 sides.
Ma'am,
Five.
20x.
5.
20x.
Ma'am, 20x, ma'am, 20x.
20. Ma'am,
Yes.
20x.
X. Side of the square is 2x. Find its area.
Side of a square is 2. Only, ma'am, one side of the square.
Yes, side of the square same hota hai. Square is all same sided.
Ma'am, 4x.
Correct. It is side into side. Area of the square is side into side, which is equal to not 4x, na? 2x into 2x. How much is that?
Ma'am, 2x into 2, 4x square. 4x square.
4x square centimeter square you have to write. Okay, here everywhere we have to write centimeter, centimeter. Here it is units.
Ma'am, if it will come at 4x cube, so we have to write centimeter cube.
Volume is centimeter cube. यहाँ पे नहीं है. Area is
Okay, ma'am.
centimeter square only.
Okay.
Base of a triangle is 2x unit. Height
Ma'am,
is
how did you get 4 when we do 2 into 4? Then we'll get 8 now.
2 into 2 ना 4 किधर है?
No, if we multiply 2 times 4 because square has 4 sides, no?
But area is side into side. You don't have to
Oh,
multiply
okay.
two sides. Only two sides you have to multiply. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of square is side into side. Okay. And area of a triangle is this. I have taught you half into base into height. Okay. This is area of triangle. Now what is the answer? Tell me. Base is 2x, height is 3y. Find the area.
Ma'am, 3xy multiplied by 6xy.
How? 1 by 2 into
Ma'am,
2x.
1 by 2 into 2x
3y.
into 3y.
This two cancel. Answer is only 3xy square units, you will say. Okay. 2 cancel हो गया. 3 into x into y is
Ma'am,
left.
how x came in 3xy?
X is there over here. When you
Okay.
multiply x and y, it is xy. Okay. Algebra है. Don't forget it is algebra. Algebra में x y है मतलब x into y है. Okay. Okay, subtract this from this. Question number 43. Subtract के questions बहुत wrong हो रहे हैं. So let us do this and then simplify this.
Then can you just underline it?
This one and this one. Question number 43 and 44.
Ma'am, can y cube be? I mean, can y cube be y cube plus y square? Can it happen, ma'am?
No, only y cube will be written as it is. If you don't have like terms. You can only simplify in addition and subtraction. Like terms can be added and subtracted. So y cube will be as it is because you don't have another like term in the other expression. Is it clear?
Ma'am, 13y square plus y.
Where is y cube? Y cube is also there, na? Y cube plus 13y square. Okay. Plus y. That's the answer.
Then how 13, ma'am? It's 12, right?
Ma'am, it's 12, ma'am.
It's 7, not 8.
Sorry, 12. It is 12.
12 y square.
Yes. I forgot to write that.
Ma'am,
Y
the
cube.
answer is wait, y3 plus
Yes, correct answer. 12y square plus y.
12.
Aisha, yeah, correct answer. Okay, do the next one. Simplification. अभी minus को ध्यान में दो. पहले you have to solve the smaller bracket and then the bigger bracket. Okay, so step by step, please do it and give me the answer quickly.
Okay.
You don't have 12 noon class now, so 5 minutes extra I can take. Chalo.
Ma'am, how is this bracket possible, ma'am? We can't minus x minus 2.
Ma'am, how can we solve this bracket? I'm not understanding.
Ma'am, don't say ma'am, I'll solve them.
Ma'am, don't
Right,
say
ma'am, I
that.
have also
Okay.
tried that solve.
Please try. Try, think and try. Huh? Unless you try all questions on your own, you won't understand anything. Everything is done. And I have given you hint. Solve the smaller bracket first. Solving means putting minus sign inside. Then putting minus sign inside the middle bracket. Then simplify the like terms. Leave the unlike terms as it is. That will be your answer.
Ma'am, I
Anyone?
got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer. Can I say?
Yes.
3x minus 7y.
3x minus 7y. Okay, let me do it over here. Those who have not got,
Ma'am,
even I have
Ma'am, 3x minus 7y, ma'am. Same, this one.
minus. Now minus x will go inside plus 2y. Okay. Now move minus inside. So 2x minus 5y plus x minus 2y. We have two like terms. This one minus 5 and minus 2y, and this one 2x plus x. So 2x plus x is 3x, minus 5y and minus 2y is minus 7y. So answer is correct. 3x minus 7y is the correct answer. Okay. Those who have not got. Question number 46, tell me what is the coefficient of y in this term?
X square.
Coefficient
Ma'am.
of y.
Z square. Z
Z
square.
Z square, ma'am, Z square.
Y 4 by 3 x square z square is the coefficient of y. Whatever is multiplied with y is the coefficient. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Whatever is multiplied by y. Okay.
Yes, coefficient forgot. What is coefficient? What is the coefficient of x square yz? Then 4 by 3.
Ma'am,
What is
can you do back? I was writing that sum.
It is
I want to
gone
see
now.
one.
It is gone.
Okay.
You can check it from Yahya. He got correct answer. So you can ask him. Okay. So these type of questions you will get. See, simplify. 12a square b plus 3ba square. What is the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, the answer is, ma'am, 12a raised to 4.
15ba square.
Ma'am, 12a raised to 4.
Correct answer.
15ab. If
A
15a
square b
square
you say, or ab square, or ba square you say. It is same na, a square b and ba square same hai. So these are like terms.
Ma'am, we can tell ab square also or a square b also, right?
No, you can say 15ba square or 15a
Or
square.
15a square b. Okay.
Okay, so what is the coefficient of the result? So here you will say constant. 15
Two.
is the coefficient. 15, na?
Yes.
Coefficient. Coefficient is a constant.
Ma'am, only
Okay.
15 badla hai.
Then you told that there is numerical coefficient and that
This
power.
is numerical only because they have not asked the variable, na? So numerical coefficient.
If they ask the variable, then we have to type b and
Ha, whatever is multiplied to that variable. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
go through it.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you have not yet revised, so that is why you have forgotten the concept. Only 2 chapters are there. Okay, so please revise. Okay, whatever doubts are there, ask me in the next class. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow.